With Memorial Day weekend here in Las Vegas already hitting record temperatures, it's critical to cover a few things regarding your overall safety and what you need to know on the road. That's why Sam Mirejovsky is here from Sam & Ash Injury Law to help us stay safe throughout the holiday weekend. Good morning, how you doing?
Hey, great to be with you. Thank you, Elliot.
It's thrilling to have you here. Just to make sure people don't think that you're going to be personally be in everyone's backyards and out on the road for every individual to protect them.
I'm available. I'm there. You know?
The man's going to be here. Now, in all seriousness, though, obviously, you know, the weather's heating up. The weekend's going to be busy with people. There's going to be more e-bikes out there. People are going to be out for Memorial Day weekend. It's going to be bringing even more e-bikes out and about. But what do people need to know with regards to the safety?
Well, it's not just the heat, right? My kids are finishing up school now, you know, so there's going to be more free time. And the problem is that these e-bikes are not just bicycles. They go fast. Some of them as fast as 28 miles an hour.
Yeah. Which,
to give you an idea, in a school zone, the speed limit's 15, and for good reason. Now, one thing you have to remember is because the kids out there in particular are zipping through traffic fast on these bikes, when there's contact with the car, it's not good. And there were something in the last year like 209 just trauma accidents at Sunrise Hospital alone for e-bike related injuries. So we're seeing a ton of these crashes in the community. You know, we just are handling a case now from last week, a tragic case where unfortunately a woman lost her life, hit by a car, ran a stop sign. The e-bike rider, she did everything right. It just was a motorist that was inattentive on her phone or whatever the case was. So these are, you have to be very careful out there. Please, please, please wear a helmet.
Yeah.
And to the extent possible, stay off the road on e-bikes because cars don't see you. And if you're a driver, you know, you've got to be very attentive because these bikes can come out of absolutely nowhere.
Yeah.
And there you are, and gosh forbid something happen, even if you're not at fault, it's something you'll carry with you for the rest of your life.
Right, like you said, they go at 28 miles an hour, some of them, so they can just appear. So say for example, someone does get hit, unfortunately, by an e-bike over the weekend. What do they need to know and what should they do?
I mean, immediately call an ambulance, call the police, call 911, make sure you're taken care of. Even if you think, you know, you've got adrenaline running through your body, if you've been hit by a car, you're riding an e-bike, you need to get checked out medically. And then your very next call needs to be to Sam & Ash Injury Law. This is what we do. We have handled literally hundreds of these cases right here in Nevada and California. We know these cases very well. And what you need to make sure is you're not talking to the insurance company without a lawyer in your back pocket because you're going to end up telling them things and doing things wrong that will set your claim up for disaster down the road. So just call your friendly lawyers, call Sam & Ash and get it taken care of.
Now, moving on to the weather, we broke a 65-year temperature record last week. We're not even in June yet. What do residents need to know about legal rights when it comes to extreme temperatures?
So I'm kind of weird. That's my favorite time of year.
Me too.
I
agree.
I love the heat. So I'm actually, I don't like the winter at all. Here's what I recommend. Number one thing is before the real heat wave comes, just make sure your AC works. Right. Number one, right? Because you don't want to find out that your AC is broken the first 2 days of the heat wave when it comes. I mean, when it's here for the entire summer. And the other thing is just, you know, we all get it. I have 2 dogs. We get into a habit with our pets in the winter. You can leave them in the car for a couple minutes, you know, and whatnot, because it's cool. That's over. So please, please, please don't leave your pets in the car. Your kids, you know, and every year there's a horrific story. You know this, right? You know, it's a total tragedy. So just you know, be mindful of that. It's very important.
Okay. And with that in mind, what should someone do if they or a family member suffer a heat-related injury?
Well, again, I mean, there are obviously if you got any legal questions about it, you know, call me. And we can talk it through. But you know, remember, actually, even just, you know, I always say people forget to drink water. Make sure you're hydrated. Make sure that hydration is part of your program, because if you get heat stroke, go to the hospital, get checked out. Don't try to just sleep through it. Don't go to bed that night and hope you're going to be better in the morning, because every year people die of the heat, and it's not high temperatures as much as it is them not having enough water and hydration in their lives.
Right. So just on all counts, be safe, be vigilant, go to a doctor, call you or Ash, and protect yourselves.
Well, Ash is nicer. So.
Sounds far too modest. Thank you so much for coming in today.
We
always appreciate seeing you. For more information on those topics or to contact Sam and Ash, be sure to head to samandashlaw.com.